This video walks you through how to trade ETFs on eToro. Begin on the main eToro screen and look to the left sidebar. From there, click Discover. This opens the area where you can browse different markets and products available on the platform. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the categories are fully visible before moving on. Once you are in Discover, open the ETFs category. This section lists exchange-traded funds you can browse and compare inside eToro. Select the ETF you want to trade to open its market page. Take a brief look at the instrument page so you are on the correct asset before placing anything. With the ETF open, click Trade. This brings up the trade window where you set the details for the position. The trade window is where you choose whether you are investing in the ETF or opening a position based on price movement. Next, choose the direction for the trade. Select Buy if you want to invest in the ETF. Select Short if you want to trade against it. This choice determines whether your position is based on the ETF going up or going down, so make sure the direction shown in the window matches the trade you want to place. After that, enter the amount you want to trade. Type in the value you want to commit to this position and check that the number shown is the one you intend to use. This amount controls the size of the trade, so it is worth pausing for a second before continuing. Then choose the leverage. Use X1 if you want an unleveraged position. If leverage is available for that ETF and you want to use it, select the leverage level offered in the window. The available choices can vary, so only use what appears for that instrument in your account. Before confirming the order, check the trade type. Look for the CFD label in the trade window. If that label is shown, the position is a CFD, which means you are trading a contract based on the ETF rather than owning the underlying ETF itself. This is an important detail to verify before you place the trade, especially if you want direct ownership instead of a CFD position. Now review the costs and the order type shown in the window. Make sure the trade details match what you selected, including the direction, the amount, the leverage, and whether the position is marked as a CFD. Once everything looks correct, click Buy or Short to confirm the trade. Your ETF trade on eToro is now placed with the direction, amount, leverage, and trade type you selected.